Let's check Mitsubishi Outlander with Inca Dock. Firstly, connect OBD adapter. Start the car. As you can see, we have check engine light. From home page, open the menu and go to Settings. Select Connection Guide. Click Next until you see the list of Bluetooth devices. Choose your adapter from the list and wait until connection is complete. Then select or add the car for diagnostics. After that, go back to the home screen and launch diagnostics. It will not take much time. As you can see, we have the P0171 trouble code. To clear the error code, go back to the diagnostic page and click the Clear button. As you can see, the check engine light is gone.